face or mine.
Oh, not video games again. I don't get you guys. If you want to play pilot, why not play for real?
What do you mean for real?
I have swamp mouse. I am not Katsina. Na 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 na.
Hello, gentlemen.
I shall be swamping mouse again, and this is one of my favorites. I am so cheeky. Yeah, I'm so cheeky. Mwah. I shall be changing mouths again.
Emergency exits are on either side of the plane.
Now, I have a big mouth so I can talk all day long. Okay, my name is Lovely. I love this and this and this and that and this and that and this and that. And hi. Hi, bye. I shall be changing mouths again. I am changed into puppet, and I only have 2 teeth. How sad. But anyway, I have a mouth that can talk. Isn't that spectacular? And mushy-rific. I shall be changing mouths again. This is me when I have food. I shall eat your brains. That's better. Oh, pardon me.